Alrighty, so let's get started. We're gonna go over how to draw a ghost, Halloween ghost. So it's gonna be simple, easy, completely for beginners, and it's gonna be step by step. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve here for the top of the head. Gonna go over here and pull up, kind of for like, you know, like woo, the ghost arms. Curve up over here on this side. All right, we're gonna extend it a little bit here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a kind of wiggliness all the way down to kind of the ghost tail, I guess. Curve over here, same exact thing. Gonna give it like a ghost tail, kind of like a genie tail. At the edge right here, I'm gonna draw a little bit of an edge, kind of following this in order to just kind of fill it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that in. What that's going to be is it's going to be basically the other, you know, the far end, basically, right? If it's a giant cloth, this is going to be kind of the folded over, you know, thickness to the cloth. You want to give it a little bit of, you know, personality there. Over here, same thing. Same exact thing. Gonna like do that near, and then I'm gonna actually fill this stuff in, this area in. The cool part about ghosts is you can kind of draw them any way you want. Let me know what you're gonna dress up like for Halloween, by the way. I'm kind of in the middle of that. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, but yeah, I have no clue what I'm gonna dress up like for Halloween. I have an idea. I have a onesie, like a dinosaur onesie. I might wear that. I don't know. I mean, that might save a lot of time. If it's warm, though, I probably won't wear it, so it'll be kind of weird. One time I dressed like a dog at one of my friend's barbecues, but it was like a heat wave during the Halloween Halloween time, and I was dying in that outfit. Oh, man. I ended up ditching that outfit. You just kind of fill it in there, right? Just kind of... There you go. See how more 3D that looks? Right on. Gonna go over here, pull down. Kind of that evil eye look. It's going to be triangular right there. Line over here, pull up. And then I'm going to fill it in. Over here, fill it in. Right on. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw kind of a smile. And it's going to pull down over here for an open mouth shape like that. And I'm gonna fill that in, right? It's gonna look a little like, again, spooky, a little weird, a little uncomfortable. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like Halloween stuff. If you like these Halloween drawing tutorials, I'll do more. Just gotta hit that like. It takes less than a second. I'm filling it in here. Continue to fill it in. Right on. Cool. Now, a lot of stuff is going to be in the details, right? These, like, for example, a thin line right here, kind of like the folds, right, of what this cloth slash specter would be. Line over here, 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 line over here. Line, right on. And I'm gonna draw some curvature right here around like the mouth, right? You gotta think about the folding of stuff going on. That's a big part of that. By the way, if you're kind of iffy on the control of your hand, go check out the beginner drawing course on sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com is where, like, again, there's beginner drawing courses there. There's cool stuff in the stores. There's stickers and stuff like that in the store. That I'm selling. I'm selling Halloween stickers there only for the season, so take a look at that. But yeah. But also control of the hand. So I'll give you an example, right? Sometimes, like, when we write, we're writing like this, right? We're writing like this. I'm anchoring the hand right here like that. I'm not moving much. But if I'm drawing this, for example, you see what's different about that? What's different about that? I'm moving at the elbow, and I'm moving at like the shoulder elbow area, as well as I can kind of move here as well. So the thing is, the shoulder and elbow, where we didn't really, most people that don't draw have never really trained those muscles for kind of precision. But you can train that, and I think that I'm gonna put a thicker line, by the way, all around the border right now. And as far as like training that, you can absolutely train that, and it's super easy. And part of all of drawing, I mean, all of drawing is two things. One, it is the knowledge that you can write of how to draw something, but number two, it's actually the it's not just that. Number two is actually the control of how well you put down this line. 'Cause sometimes you'll be like, I want to put down this line, but you can't do it. That's the second part. And that part, I think, is the easiest part to solve. The precision part. The controls, the muscles in your hand, that is so easy to do, and some people never solve it. You don't want to be here like a year from now and not have that controlled and be like, oh, I'm the same, right? You don't want to do that. So go over there, solve it for free. It is on sketchingeasy.com. Click on the dragon for that beginner course, complete beginner, and it's embedded in there. There's no sign up, nothing. Just go over there. You can check it out right now in like a minute. Sketchingeasy.com. I'll put a link in the description somewhere. But yeah. Anyways, that's it. That's the Halloween sketch. If you want, you can throw more thin lines right here where you think folds would be. The cool part is you're creating this ghost, right? So you can, there are no rules per se. You can put bags under the eyes there. Where do you think this cloth would be wrinkled, right? Would it be wrinkled here? And as long as the lines are thin, these additional lines are thin, you won't run into the trouble of possibly ruining the drawing, because you might do that if you go too quickly on it. You don't want to do that. I mean, if you go too thick on the lines, like if that's a huge thick line, it's really going to distract. But anyways, finally, if you do support the channel, don't forget to share the video, and I will talk to you in the very next video. I'm very easy to reach, so please reach out to me, ask questions in the comments. I'm very, very easy to reach. I talk to anybody. Talk to you later, and I will see you soon, okay? See you around.